Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to back up Steam games to an external drive. If you're running out of storage on your PC, or you simply want a safe copy of your games, backing them up to an external drive is one of the best solutions. It saves you from re-downloading huge game files later and makes it much easier to restore your library whenever you need it. First, make sure your external drive is properly connected to your computer using a USB port. Once it's plugged in, wait a few seconds for Windows to recognize it. You can confirm this by opening File Explorer from the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and checking under This PC to see your external drive listed. Also ensure the drive has enough free space for the games you want to back up, because some modern games can be very large. Next, open Steam and log into your account. Once you're inside, click on Steam in the top left corner of the window, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, look for the Storage section on the left-hand side. This is where Steam manages all installed games and library folders. Now click Add Drive or Add Library folder and browse to your external drive. Select it and create a new folder specifically for Steam games. For example, something like Steam Library on your external drive. Once you confirm, Steam will add this location as a new official library folder where games can be installed or moved. After that, go back to your main Steam library where all your games are listed. Right-click on the game you want to back up, then select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Installed Files tab and click Move Install Folder. From here, choose the external drive location you just added. Steam will now begin transferring the full game files from your internal drive to your external storage. Depending on the size of the game, this process may take a few minutes or even longer, so make sure your external drive stays connected and your PC remains powered on during the transfer. Once the move is complete, the game will now run directly from your external drive without needing to be re-downloaded. This is especially useful for large games or for users who switch between multiple systems. If you are doing this as a full backup instead of just moving a game, you can simply repeat the same process for multiple titles, or simply keep your external Steam library as a secondary storage location. This makes managing space much easier, especially when your internal drive starts getting full. Finally, always safely eject your external drive before unplugging it to avoid data corruption. You can do this by right-clicking the drive in File Explorer and selecting Eject. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.